backwards back here. Don't mind me grabbing your hand here.
No.
Take, wrap around it, kind of, and then use this thumb right here. Throw your thumb in, and press into your center of your hand. Up. I don't know. You can see how mine works.
Oh.
These guys kind of, if that teat sits right in the, nut of your hand here, and you just kind of